But Jake's coming like Shantau too. Him love the pasta and the mix up. So nobody come cry to the internet, Jakes. Take your beat now, move along. How long on the son gonna take with Shantau phone? Eh? And a 2 phone the little girl have. So till she a suck banana send go give boy. Eh? But want the one view come out. Cause you not grow them good. You not big and careless, you and Rosealee. So come now when I move over to see you. What are we? Come here. But I always tell you say. What did I always say on my life? Didn't I say when Rosealee don't have any more content, she bring her daughter come on the app? Me never said she always bring her daughter on the app. Okay. You see, Rosealee, she spoke to her daughter. She tell her daughter what and what to say and what the conversation will be like. You hear? You see that little girl named Shantau? Shantau want a kick. And when I say Shantau want a kick, I mean Shantau want several kicks in her belly button. And then Rosealee have the audacity to come out and justify, but she want her daughter tell her when she wrong. I don't want my people to tell me when I'm wrong, because they will never grant that opportunity to tell me when I'm wrong, because I always do right. I'm going to always do right by them. I not ask no question, but you see, Uno love talk about pitney and pitney. And Shantau will never be a child if her mother keep using her as props on the app. You see, for me like Jakes, me ignore Shantau make her mother minor. Me send Shantau make her mother minor. Rose gone as all as far fair class all Jakes mother. And me talk to Jakes about this already, you know. Jakes is all you. Rosealee shall forever live on your nastiness, cause you not here. As Rosealee come for you go for Akeem. You never know, go straight for Akeem. You not hear nothing where Rosealee say about you, just attack bare things about Akeem. And that me tell you for you not here. Oh, you go forever. All you love it twin Jakes. You come like some big lady to all you love it. Look how long you know you're nasty, cranny, smell bad, stay bad, want a hole, baby mother. Look how long you know that slut, that dog, that germs, that drunk. Look how long you know it. Eh? And you still up. Jakes, go on man. And you want next one too, you know. Go on man, move. You want next one too. You like the mix up. Me I wonder if he's a man or a rat. Eh? Me I wonder if he's a man or a rat. If I go to, you know, because I want to have this girl, this little girl, I come and stir up things. You know, say girl I work with her mama. You know, say Shantau work with her mama. I come and talk about she not have no stepmother. If I me like Sheryl, me take back all the drawers them mama buy from foreign. Me now, hey, you see, I want one thing with me, you know. Me I take you in and say if you have a picnic, we're going to go and let them more than me and go and let them all bigger than my own. Me not look on that shit, you know. You better look on it. You better look on it. Yeah, for true unbothered it is. I don't have Rosealee sit down on the app and she has spokes the little girl, has spokes the little girl, has spokes the little girl. You understand me? And Shantau is not a baby. The kick with me that kick Shantau, Rosealee feel it in her fat. Me now ask you, Shantau for go. She for go. She for go and go wash out the dirt stain out her draw scratches. She for go. Oh, no little picnic now gonna make me look like me and them a size. You mad? Which little girl can make me look like me and them a size? I'm mad, you mad the amount of conk when me gear in her forehead. You say, not even hat she can't wear because it was a stretch. I'm tell you, say if you pass your pep, I buy you a Pro Max 1817. You mad? And the little girl don't have 2 phones already. But when I always sit down for my life and tell her, say, you have to angle that girl, that little girl like a big woman. You have to angle that little girl like a big woman. You mad? You think me there you have to remind people say them a pick me? The mere fact you come to me like an adult, me treat you like an adult, you know your age. So, the whole I want to born big then. You know your age. Me not supposed to sit down and remain in one conversation or an argument say you're a child. Me not depend them shit there. Me not depend them shit there. Oh. Me tell you this a sugar question them. Me tell you this a sugar question, Shantau. But Sheryl, me tell you, and what Sheryl bring from what Sheryl not bring. Rosealee move your butter nasty stinking all language. Oh. Me say me want the day. Me have some things, me have some big woman baby things put on for Shantau. Me want the day you make Shantau come bow me. At that me want, at the day, cause all Jake so that hate me. You talk about mercy I get things from the community. Rosealee, remember people used to close you and close your picnic. Remember pay what left your picnic them ban pan Rosealee and you grew up and pay what left. Me not understand how you project yourself on Jake's and Jake's mother. Remember say Jake's family and your family are the two nastiest, dirty set of family them in a sea view. Always remember that you go like you arrive your land, you reach your town airport. Always remember that. Here come a tabo. Show the bathroom. Rosealee, you just a piss over bowl. You just a piss over bowl because you used to piss pan bowl like prisoner. Remember say I saw all of your shit and piss know you, you know. I saw all of your shit and piss know you because you're afraid the ringworm take your bottom. Remember on a stoop and loop. Always remember that. Don't think you graduate because there's hope of you going back. And what they did walk and look house in a sea view. Come to Rosealee and nobody no rent you. And sea view I get on them know so you're nastier than GHETTO. Come now man. Remember you used to shit and priest like jailers and prisoners. Wanna man? Mr. Jake's not learn. Jake's not learn. You want to go up on Jake so you question Shantau because you know you're going to get him and say you know what you're doing. Why you have to come on the people in FYP with pure negativity? I just that me want to know. I just that me want to know. And Jake say mash up Shantau. You say if you're Jake, you say if you're Shantau real father Jakes, I think you need to mash up that little girl. Mash her up, pain her up before September morning. Pain her up. Exactly. And when people chatter and chatter dirty ways, but I don't know why they eat me, them always come at me. You always depend people FYP with the negativity. Move your stinging self and go. Because you pay for suck Akim with over 1 year now and the boy not getting body in their mouth. Take you one. You know Akim business that you have to keep your mouth shut because if you ever blink twice your lips swell. Like your allergy take you. Make we talk about that now. Make we talk about that. The child is very rude, and when I talk, when I eat my speech, it's not getting any better. Who now watch the little girl deteriorate in front of the whole on the eye side. Hey, Rosealee always I use that little girl to come up and talk against her father or her so-called father. She always do it. Me say any day Shantau out of my name out her mouth. Me I take her back to basic. Oh, I have some big woman things to tell her like a girl, you see. I have some big woman things to tell her. Worse like how her period a drip. I have some big woman things to tell her. I don't run picnic joke, you know, because picnic will embarrass you. He said if you play with picnic, he said if you play with picnic, especially get up picnic, caca farts. I have some big woman things to tell her. I don't ask you, I want alone to run joke. I don't run joke. Every chance she get, she make her mother make she disrespect Jakes. And the Jakes used to wash, cook and clean for the whole of them. Drop them off and pick them up like a robot taxi. Or the magic school bus. Remember teacher and know Rosealee, you know? Oh. But when I talk the whole under the pan, it's a child. And here I talk about I get to me grow, I jump over gutter water go in my house. I get to me grow and go run in my house. Anything from uptown come downtown. Anything from uptown run come downtown. Let me tell you the truth. So we know She is very ungrateful like her daughter old mother. She's very ungrateful like her mother. We used to draw her crutches from Wall Theatre to Princess Street to Back Market. Oh, she's very rude like her sting more full of infection. Listen, when you look on the FYP, a pure negativity. But more my daughter tell me when me wrong. You wrong long time and a long time your daughter tell you say you mess up. Even within the conversation your daughter tell you say, then you work. You work. What you do in the house? You don't do nothing in the house. You don't do nothing in the house. Your daughter even tell you say you're mine, man. And you go like you not here. Your daughter even tell you say you walk on mine, man. One of my child could have talked to me, so. You come from the internet, I do internet parenting. Rosealee go suck your dirty mama. Go suck out your dirty mama and go name out your AIDS granny. Me say Jake's a big asshole, you know. Jake's a big asshole. Can me stop arguing with Rosealee? Me say when me don't go for Akeem and his generation no more, nothing more about Akeem na leave. Cause since when them touch Akeem, you get answer. Alright, come at me Rosealee. Straight over the post on the Craveneer box me I go. Straight over there so. But Jake's coming like Shantau too. Him love the pasta and the mix up. So nobody come cry to the internet, Jakes. Take your beat now, move along. Look how long on the son I take with Shantau phone. And a 2 phone the little girl have. So till she has suck banana and go give boy. But want the one view come out. Cause you not grow them good. When the big and careless you and Rosealee. The tone of big and careless like. Which little girl could have been in the palm of them answer like me a pet bird or feeding? Which little girl? You mad? People may have said mad. Rosealee take too much chance off of you but she has sent chukums. When me done push back up chukums in a Akeem cause I invert him. Wanna man? When me done send up back chukums in a Akeem. But tell them say little girl don't have no respect. And if let me say this to you guys. You say if Shantau don't respect Jakes and Rosealee, she will never respect anybody. Never respect anybody. So when you see her talk about she a little girl, she'll laugh off enough for one in a class, you know. Oh. Rosealee have some shaky ways of doing things. She always call a little girl in her negativity to chat the father. But though if me did that, me would have buy this. Rosealee come here, let me remind you. Because Shantau tell lie. Remember when you there see there, you collect the money and your house not have no light? Remember so the people them school uniform not buy yet. Me I tell you that, me I remind you. So you and your little old daughter are liar. Let me tell you that. You and baby are liar. You and Odi Woodpecker are liar. Me not ask you. When I lied, I true people not remember the things them. Rosealee slack and lazy concerning the children's promises. Make me tell you that. Enough man in the pit them get up and have to hurry themselves to school. That's why when them go to school, teacher back them off because them moldy and frozen and smell like underneath me. But you don't remember them something there. You don't remember them something there. None of you don't remember them days there. So all she and the little girl sit down is a bring down for Jakes. Is a bring down for Jakes, and Shantau willing to help Rosealee bring down Jakes at any given chance. I'm telling you the truth, no for only remember Rosealee. So when she come and talk about say Jakes mother for sure toilet, Rosealee remember not even plunge down in the yard because of this war over everything all toilet paper. Come now man. Remember outside toilet when they did have and you not clean it. You Rosealee don't clean it. You remember them days there? I saw you beat your mother for the plunger. You don't remember them days there when your mother talked about the plunger where she laverned by? Remember? Cause Rosealee shit them couldn't flush, you know. You don't know, people are only remember nothing. I only remember nothing. I told Jakes that, hey, you see how Jakes coming like girl too, you know. Jakes coming like girl, like him love the FYP too. Him coming like girl Because Jakes taught the truth. When Rosealee talk, come here people. When Rosealee talk about everything already, me I show you one big lie where Rosealee tell. And at this I always say, she always make that little girl come in a big people argument. Let me tell you something. Remember the day when time school for open September and Rosealee fly out? Who remember when Rosealee fly out in September? Okay. Oh, remember. So when she and the little girl can see say it's a rehearse. It's a rehearse program just like the argument with Jake's brother. It's a rehearse program. Rosealee is a wicked demonic entity. She didn't buy anything. She did not buy anything. So when time the little girl sit down and talk about yes, you can see Shantau willingly and able to tell lie for Rosealee. I'm telling you, I only know the people them just reward. That's when them diamond say she up on the upper look. I look justice. No justice no there diamond. Rosealee a wicked dog shit. Rosealee is a wicked piece of dog shit. Who not remember them days there? So you see how she spoke the little girl to come on the internet and go like it's a mommy world and them attack things. Oh, we not find nothing else to talk about. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother while you're there. If you never want to hear, I treat not sit well in your favor. Because me I come with facts. Me I come with proof and me I remind you of how careless you and Rosealee be. Yeah, but we can't find nothing else to talk about. Tell the sluts to come out from my FYP and they will stop talking about the bitch. Yeah, she and her baby whore. Tell her to come out from my FYP. Me never pay megabytes to see Rosealee run cross. Me never do that. It's injustice to me. Right. She spoke to the little girl. She spoke Shantau. Anytime when you see Shantau come on live, is Rosealee call her and doctor the child for come on and talk all sort of something. Yeah. Japraya can depend me and Japraya house little bit. He don't to me toilet bigger than Japraya bedroom. Always remember that in England him live. And if him live upstairs, him have to rent out downstairs. If him live downstairs, him have to rent out upstairs. Come now man, Japraya in a position to talk to nobody. And then every run off a good run off. Yeah. The biggest thing in a Japraya house are the bedded. Come now man. Anytime you see she do that. No, she not go question Barbar. Because Barbar not have nothing for give her. Barbar not in the sissy and the batty. Him not have nothing for say to her. She forgive Shantau everything because Shantau working with her. It's true, I'm from the UK. But I choose something at her. Yeah, Barbar Akim age, Shantau above her age. That's why she alone can vape on her Snapchat, on her her WhatsApp. And she alone can do the adult things. And if her mother send her after hours go buy a cigarette. She's just like her mother, licky child. She'll grow good in it. But when the talk it said the little girl is too big and the whole on and yam me your feet. The whole on and yam me your feet and see it there. And not Sheryl for cause of Jakes. And your dirty mama you for argue with. And your mama break up the home for one careless boy where yam her out. That's why you Shantau in return could have tell her say she walk on mind man. And she go on like she not hear the mind man part. She go on like she not hear the mind man part because that never in a script. She don't know, so you can't stay in a character. Eh? Oh. And then something you have to talk about. I tell Jakes every time Rosealee come at you, you go for Akeem. If Rosealee come for your mother Jakes, you go for Akeem mama. I tell you that every day. You don't know for fight war. But you love the FYP, you like to give a run across your screen. I monetize you, I monetize the situation and I go like you vex. You not vex because you don't know how to satisfy. You not vex. Then Rosealee could have come for me and me go for she. No my love. No my love.